Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to show you guys how I basically do my makeup for school. I know I did like one or two of these earlier on in the year, but I feel like a lot has changed and I wear less makeup, but although to some it might look as too much, but it's just less than what I was wearing earlier. I'm using a lot of drugstore products, a lot of affordable products, so not many things in this makeup tutorial will be very expensive. So without further ado, let's get right into it. But first, if you guys are not already, subscribe to my channel down below and also like this video. I'm just gonna get a base down. I already moisturized with this Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizing lotion. Although this is not part of the drugstore, it is pretty affordable. It's like one of the more affordable options on like in Ulta. I think like the big tub of this is like $26 if I'm not mistaken, and you get a lot. I think one of those big tub of moisturizers last me like a year if I'm not mistaken. So this really helps with any dryness I have on my face. It's still winter, you know, there's still a lot of dry air, and I just want to make sure like I put all the moisture back into my skin, so I use this to do that. And also guys, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my skin has been clearing up, and that's due to me drinking more water. I love drinking water, as well as cleaning up my diet. And then I also picked up this beautybypreitagg drying lotion. I know most of you guys have seen this before, and I put a little Q-tip in here, right? I don't make the pink and the clear mix. I just put this down to the pink and then just spot all the pimples that I want to get rid of, and the next day you can see definitely a difference in my skin. And I know for a lot of people that has happened also. So yeah, let's stop rambling and get into this. So this is not affordable, but I know a lot of girls don't usually have to do this step. I unfortunately have to do this step. I have very oily eyelids, and if I try to put concealer over my eyelids, it'll just crease, it'll look disgusting. So I'll just go into this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. You guys know that I love this. I don't think I'll ever find a drugstore eyeshadow primer as good as this one. I would wish that the drugstore came out with better primers, because I know I tried like the e.l.f. one a couple of years ago and it didn't really do the job. But maybe if you guys know of any, then comment down below, because I really want to find some affordable options for this, because this is like $20. Like guys, $20 for this small tube, although it does last me a long time. Also $20 is So next I'm just gonna set that in place with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. I'll do it with the brown shade, and I'll just pat that in. Once we're done with that, I'll go into mascara. This is all I do on the eyes on a normal day when I just want to like get out of the house and zoom, like leave. Because, you know, being a college student, you want to sleep the most you can. I want to do that, but I also don't want to look like a zombie, so I try my best to have both. If I can get enough sleep while like cutting down my makeup routine in the morning by like 5 minutes, it makes a really big difference. I'm gonna go into this Luminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. You guys know this looks like the Better Than Sex mascara. Let me just it'll give you a lot of volume, length. When we're done with that, we're just gonna go straight into foundation. So I had this new foundation that I recently tried like a week ago. I've been testing it out and I really do love it. A lot of people compliment me when I wear this foundation. It is this Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation, and it looks like this. It's fairly new, and I'm in the shade F13. Now if you guys seen the Clinique foundation. I forgot what it's called, but they look exactly alike. But only thing is, I like this one much better than the Clinique one. It does give a lot of coverage, but you just have to like continuously like put your applicator inside and then take it out. It's just, but I like the big applicator because you're trying to get all of your face instead of just like a little part, so it just makes it easier to do. Just put that all over my face like that, and I take either a sponge or brush to blend it out. I don't know if you guys can see this. I think my ring light was a bit too much, but I like the coverage. The coverage is about a medium. It covers a lot, but I wouldn't say it's like full-on cake yet. If I added on one more layer to it, then it would have been full coverage, but yeah. This is how it looks like. Okay, next is a concealer that I'm going to share with you. I think this also came out recently too, and it's definitely better than the Sephora Collections concealer that I've been using all this time. I use it every single day now when I do my makeup, and it has really changed my game, and it's only $6. I think the Sephora Collections one is $14 if I'm not mistaken. But sometimes you can get them 50% off, so it's like $7. This one is still affordable at 50% off. And this is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm in the shade Dark 46. I think this is like the perfect shade for me. And I just put a little bit just to cover up these dark under eyes. Put a little light on my forehead, on my chin. Remember, you're going to school, you don't want to do too much on your face. And we're just going to take our sponge and just like blend that out. After you blend that out, we're going to go into powder. And I'm going to go into this RCMA No Color powder. I think this powder is like $12 for like 3 ounces if I'm not mistaken. Very affordable because the Laura Mercier, it comes in this container, it is $38 for 1 ounce. So I think you're getting a really good bargain with that RCMA powder. And also it doesn't have talc in it. I think that's the ingredient that it doesn't have. If don't quote me on that. It doesn't have talc in it, and talc usually causes flashback, and RCMA doesn't do that, because it doesn't have talc in it. So in your pictures, you're just gonna look like you. You're not gonna have that white cast everywhere on your face. So you can bake, you can like set your entire face. I like setting my entire face because I have really oily skin. If you guys don't have really oily skin, then skip this step. And as soon as I set the face, whatever is on like kind of the perimeters, I just dust off because I just wanted a quick set, and I don't want anything to like cake up. But I know that my T-zone will get very oily throughout the day, so they need that extra powder to be there a little longer. So next, I like to add a little color to my face because right now I'm looking a bit flat. So I'll just take my angled brush with my NYX Cheek Contour Duo Palette, and I'll just give myself like a quick light contour, like a very light contour with this shade right here. When we're done with the contour, we'll just dust off the excess bake because, yeah, again, we don't want our face to cake up. So dust. Alright, and then we're gonna go into a bit of highlight. natural glow, nothing too over the top. We're just gonna go into this NYX Born to Glow highlighter in the shade Chosen One. It's a very yellow highlighter. Great for, I think, all skin types actually. I think this would look really good on fair skin, as well as, well, not really fair skin, but light skin, as well as dark skin. It depends on really how much you use. I feel like if you're a little darker, you should go a little light on this, but if you're lighter, like medium to light skin, then go ham. This highlighter you can intensify and it can be a little blinding, but just a tiny bit on my nose. Okay, last but not least, we're going to put on lip balm. And I say lip balm because we're in school. It's winter, we need to take care of our lips. And if you're gonna wear lipstick every day, your lips will become very dry, believe me. I used to be an everyday liquid lipstick wearer, but this year I think I'll keep it a bit more simple and just go into some Blistex to hydrate my lips, because you know I don't want my lips looking too cracky and everything. And basically the last step to this tutorial is just to spray your face with setting spray. I use the Scandinavian one, you guys can use the Mario Badescu one. I mean, that doesn't really set, but it refreshes your face. This one sets. NYX has really good ones too if you want some drugstore options. I don't really know other drugstore facial sprays. I just know high-end ones. Like, I love the MAC ones. I don't know, I'm just a really like high-end facial spray wearer. I don't really gravitate towards the drugstore, although all these products are from the drugstore except for like one or two things. I normally tend to wear high-end stuff, but I think I should get into wearing drugstore things more often because like it's cheaper, and you know, being a college student, everyone's broke. But anyways, Scandinavia, this is called the makeup finishing spray, and this is the oil control one. Now there's the regular one and the bridal one. The bridal one is your makeup to last even longer. The original is just a basic facial spray, and this one is oil free, so if you have oily skin. So I'm just gonna spray this on my face. And that is it. That concludes how I do my makeup for school. Well, the products that I use, basically everything here, most people can afford. So yeah, thank you guys all for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because I know it was short, but I was like, I need something up, and why not create this an updated like college, high school makeup routine, where like if you need a routine that takes 10 minutes and then you're out the door, a cheap 10 minutes and then you're out the door, why not create this for my viewers? So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you guys have not already. I know I said this in the beginning, but I'm saying it again. Like the video because why not? And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.